These shelves have been the perfect addition to my office. It sits behind my desk as my backdrop. Let me back up again. Tons and tons of storage and shelving, and I think down on the bottom is more, you don't see it as much behind my desk, so it's a lot more storage, but then the top I just used, I do it like decorative, but it's so pretty. Hopefully you can see it in there, but I get tons of compliments on these shelves. Everybody is always asking me where I got them, so here they are. Here's the shelf again, if that helps. They're so pretty.